Are you ready to test your English vocabulary? Let's see how strong your word power really is. In this quiz, you'll face 30 quick challenges. You'll need to pick the right synonym or perfect antonym for each word. Some will be easy, but others might just trick you. Let's find out how sharp your English really is.
Brilliant means very bright or intelligent.
Modern is their opposite of ancient.
Quick and fast both describe speed.
Dishonest means not telling the truth.
Clever means smart or intelligent.
Simple means easy to understand.
Mad means very angry.
A selfish person doesn't like sharing.
Kind and gentle both describe a caring person.
Failure is the opposite of success.
Courageous means showing bravery.
Silent means quiet or without sound.
Tiny means very small.
Weak is the opposite of strong.
Sleepy means you need rest or sleep.
Decrease means to make less.
Honor means to respect someone.
Shrink means to become smaller.
Peaceful means quiet and relaxed.
Loss means failure or not winning, the opposite of victory.
Begin and start mean the same.
Hate is the opposite of love.
Polite means showing good manners and respect.
Impossible means something that cannot be done.
Smart and clever both mean intelligent.
A hard-working person is active and not lazy.
Rapid means happening quickly.
Poor is the opposite of rich.
Brave and courageous both mean not afraid of danger.
Late means not early or delayed. Excellent work! You've just completed the Synonyms and Antonyms challenge. Now you know how tiny changes in words can make big differences in meaning. The more words you learn, the more confident you'll sound in English. If you enjoyed this quiz, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons every week. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next quiz.